Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to add hero animation in your Flutter application. The hero refers to the widget that flies between screens. You can check out to our channel's YouTube Shorts for the full preview of the animation or watch to the end of this video. Before I start implementing the animation, firstly let me show you how the widget transition looks without the animation. So as you can see in the code, I have a gesture detector widget that will navigate to the home page whenever the container is clicked. While at the home page, we will display the selected image. So as you can see, this is a default screen transition without any animation. So now I will be adding hero animation to the container so that the image transit to the home screen with hero animation instead of the default behavior. To achieve this, we just have to wrap the container widget with the hero widget. And this hero widget requires a tag parameter. This tag parameter is a unique identifier for Flutter to know which widget to transit. If you apply hero animation to multiple widgets, make sure you provide a unique value for each of them as the tag parameter. So in my example, I will just pass in the item name variable. Now we have done on the first page. Next, we have to set up hero animation in the home screen as well. So in home screen, look for the same widget that applies the hero animation, which is the image container. Again, wrap the widget with hero widget. Here we are required to add a tag value. If you remember, we just added item name as tag value in the previous page. Since the page transit to this page, so they should have the same tag value. Flutter will only transit the widget with hero animation when both tag values matched. So for tutorial purposes, I will just take a random item name and paste it in the tag value for both hero widgets. So now we have done setting up hero animation. Let's see how it looks. So you can see that the image actually flies to the second page instead of a normal transition. Same animation applied when we pop from the current screen. And this is how we apply hero animation in Flutter application. Here comes to the end of the animation tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.